Early this week, currencies are expected to show high activity. The economic calendar will not be very rich in events. However, there will be reports of crucial importance. They could determine the investment attractiveness of assets in the long term. Let's take a look at these events. From Tuesday, countries will begin publishing the main macroeconomic reports. Early this day, China will disclose its industrial production data. However, before that, the Reserve Bank of Australia is expected to reveal its monetary policy meeting minutes. Nevertheless, information from Australia's main consumer of raw materials will surely influence the Australian dollar. According to the forecast, China's industrial production may advance more than in the previous period. Such data may support the Australian dollar. During the European session, traders will price in the information that will be published at the weekend. The UK will announce the results of the trade deal negotiations. Traders will also focus on the UK claimant count change. The report may pose additional pressure on the pound sterling. The fact is that tougher containment measures are likely to lead to a rise in the number of unemployment claims. Analysts foresee a climb by approximately 30,000. At the same time, on Wednesday, macroeconomic data may boost the pound sterling. Economists expect that the UK consumer prices will inch up by 0.1% after the zero change in October. The annual inflation may accelerate up to 0.8%. If the predictions come true, the British pound will have a chance to recoup some of its losses. Later this day, all eyes will be turned to the macroeconomic reports from the United States. First of all, the US will publish the consumer activity data. According to the forecast, in November, the US retail sales may drop by 0.1%. These figures are likely to have a negative influence on the US dollar. The fact is that consumer spending comprises 70% of the GDP, and weak figures force the monetary authorities to take radical measures. Several hours later, market participants will find out what members of the Federal Open Market Committee think about the current economic situation. It will be the most important event of the upcoming week. We will tackle this issue more than once in our next video reviews. Subscribe to our channel to keep abreast of the latest comments on the Fed's monetary policy. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.